Alright, welcome back to another video. Today, the good old electrician has left a few holes and he's thrown most of the cutouts. Thankfully, I have a couple and I can place them back in there. So if they're cutting it out, you should always keep it because they've got to go back. I managed to salvage a few. There was a couple in the bin, the rest I lost. Got some over here to do as well. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut some new pieces. Unfortunately, all the sizes, they're all different. These will go behind the plasterboard. Why am I wearing a tool belt? I know it's a bit heavy, but I don't need that. I hate having to look around for things, move around for things. Especially if I'm up a ladder, I really want everything at my fingertips. Here we go. I'll be honest with you, lately I haven't even felt like making any videos actually. Been stuck working down the Gold Coast, and if you've been running your own business for a certain amount of time and then you go to work for an hourly rate, you really feel like a worthless piece of shit. I don't like that. This job's a bit better. I don't really feel that, but I mean every job is different. But yeah, my motivation just really hasn't been there lately. Actually, my mum died a couple of weeks ago, and that's been pretty tough as well. One done. Great, they're done. Move to the next one. bit. Okay, taping time. That one wasn't very pretty. We're going to wait for that to dry like this. Try and do these all together. One. Getting those gaps. Two. Get some tape. That's three. That's the taping process. Alright, onto the second coat here. Give him a light scratch. Flatten off. Happy with that too. They look pretty good. Pretty good. One more coat.